In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily delete all viruses from your iPhone. That's quite simple, interesting and easy. So let's get started without wasting a single second. So guys, if you want to delete all the viruses from your iPhone, I will tell you 3 places where you can find viruses in your iPhone, and I'll tell you that how you can easily fix them. So the first thing you'll have to do is to tap on settings, then scroll down all the way until you find Safari. Once you found it, tap on Safari, then scroll down and tap on clear history and website data, and tap on clear history. It will clear all the history and website data. Basically, there is a chance that your website data or Safari browser data or cookies may contain some viruses. So clearing this will help you to clear viruses or delete viruses from your iPhone. The second thing you can do is to tap on your profile on the top, then tap on iCloud, then tap on iCloud Drive. Now all you'll have to do is to tap on manage storage, and then tap on delete from iCloud, and basically it will delete all of your iCloud Drive data, and your iCloud Drive may be containing some viruses. So these were the 2 steps that you can take, and the third and final thing you can do is to tap on general, and first you'll have to back up your iPhone and then tap on general and tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then reset your iPhone. It will and then erase all contents and settings. Basically it will make your device a brand new iPhone. It will clear everything from your iPhone, but it will definitely delete all the viruses of your iPhone. So if you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.